Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. In this video I am going to share a very beautiful and rhythmic poem, Cloud Pictures, with you. You can learn this poem for your poem recitation competition. And before I start the video, please subscribe my channel if you have not done that, so that you continue getting such content. Okay, now I'll start reading it for you. Among the grass I love to lie and watch the fleecy clouds pass by. For many pictures there I see, so clear although so far from me. Sometimes across the blue there floats a stately fleet of white-sailed boats. On shining mountains' rugged crests, the grey-winged clouds, birds seek their nests. And over the sunset's radiant bar, lone fairylands most surely are, with ruby isles in lake of gold, where towers in crimson light unfold. The black clouds gather from afar as mighty armies march to war, and when they meet in thunder crash, I see their spears of lightning flash. Forever changing to and fro, blown by the careless wind they go. No wonder the cloud pictures there are always fresh and always fair. I hope you like this poem. If you like it, please like my video and share it with your friends.